Hello friends, welcome to my channel, with another helpful Excel tutorial.
Everybody get your fucking hands up.
In this video, I will show how to quickly fill a series of numbers in Excel. Maximum time, we do this in a normal way, which is wasted our time when the serial is too long. In this tutorial, you will learn how can we do this quickly. So, let's start. At first, go to the Fill options. Now click on Series. You can see a dialog box. Now select Columns. After this, type step value and stop value for your required series number. Now, click on OK, and you can see all series number is set in your columns. If you have any queries about new Excel tips and tricks, then type me in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Please, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.